Welcome to my professional learning network. Today I'm going to walk you through the web page that I made for my PLN project. On the home page here, I introduce myself and give a little bit of a background about who I am, what education experience I have, and what I'm looking to get out of my PLN. Down here, I have some widgets that you can click on to take you directly to my email, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Tumblr pages, all directly related to teaching. I also have a place where people can contact me right here on the website so that I could get back to them as soon as possible, and that would email me to my personal email. On my second page, I have a definition of PLN. What is a professional learning network? I give a paragraph overview here based off my background knowledge and what I gained from my digital communications course. And I posted 2 different helpful videos that I found and shared with my PLN group through Twitter. Then I have a Wordle that I found very helpful to get across the ideas of why it's important to start creating a personal learning network if you don't already have one. And last but not least, I have an image that I thought was pretty cool to show that you can really start anywhere for a PLN. Pick a place and follow an arrow and see where it takes you. You can start with social media that you're already a part of. You can reach out to a new community. You can try something that you've never tried before. But all of this information that I've gotten so far here, I did give a link to a helpful EduBlog's Teacher Challenges resource that provided some of these images for us. Down here I have an infographic, and if you click on the infographic, it will take you to the website where I received the information from. That just explains what it means to be a connected educator and what connected educators do. This would then encourage people to be more connected. And then last but not least, a quick survey to give me some feedback to let me know if this PLN page is helping people. And again, that goes right to my email so that I can contact those people and provide more feedback if they're still confused about what a PLN is. My third page, what platforms can we use to access PLNs? I started by pointing out that people are probably already a part of PLNs and don't even realize it. These social media sites here are all linked to the specific site where people could then go to create their free accounts. And these are the 6 social media sites that I engage with and encourage people to try out, especially for beginners. So below, I added in some useful videos and articles to help people get started using those social media sites to broaden their PLNs. I found through YouTube that Tech Boomers was an excellent resource for basically every tech application that I could think of under the sun. So I used their basic how-to videos, but if you also, then from that YouTube page, look deeper into their Twitter, Pinterest, Skype, LinkedIn folders, they have even more specific videos as well to do different things on those social media sites. So simply have Twitter, 3 different resources, Pinterest, 3 resources, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Skype. Again, all working links. For the PLN inside of school, I want to be able to encourage other people in my community to find that PLN within their school if they don't already have it. So I gave some encouraging questions to get people thinking about who they are interacting with on a daily basis. I gave an example of who these people are for me at my school and provided a photograph of us as well. We're a pretty close and tight-knit group of people. In order to improve an already established PLN, I gave 4 different kind of pointers on technologies that they could incorporate to enhance that PLN. So Microsoft Office or Google to collaborate on documents simultaneously, whether in real time during meetings or outside of school. Screencast-O-Matic specifically to do exactly what I'm doing right now and share common knowledge or expertise. Zoom if you need to have flexibility for meetings, and curation tools such as Digo to kind of add to your teacher toolkit and share with your PLN. Second to last page, how can we find PLN outside of school? So to encourage people to engage in PLNs that are beyond their schoolhouse walls, I first gave some working links to 4 already established PLNs where people can take a look and explore topics, get a feel for each of the communities and how they can contribute to those communities themselves. Then I focused a little bit more highly on Twitter because I feel that that's where I thrive. And I offered up 4 educational, professional groups on Twitter. And each of these pictures would link to their Twitter pages. And last but not least, I talked about Twitter chats. I gave 2 links to places where people could go to figure out when chats are being held. And I also gave some information about how to engage in those Twitter chats to the best of your ability. Last but not least, my PLN page for people to check out an example of my PLN. I started out by talking about how my PLN has grown tremendously just in a few short months with the image of the web that we created in our digital communications class. And then I went in to share 20 different educators with whom I engage for my PLN currently. So I broke them down by category. We've got 5 working Twitter handle links here, 5 working Instagram links here, 5 working blog links here, and 5 working Pinterest pages here. Now, for each of these different links, it covers a plethora of topics. We have everything from ed tech to, specifically secondary or, 5th grade, upper elementary education, classroom organization, classroom management, reading, writing, math, really trying to cover all bases there. And finally, I embedded the archive of both my PLN group's hashtag PLN Project Loyola ET for the curation of all of our helpful tweets and resources, and the hashtag ET630 restorative Twitter archive from our personal Twitter chat on restorative practices. I hope that this PLN webpage is helpful for many. I know it's been extremely beneficial for me, and I look forward to growing my professional learning network in the future. Thank you.